Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech with Sarah Jones. I am back with another topic. This topic is 7.33.1 type of reparations. Another one, this is there are two types of reaction found. It's a living and all at this embryonic and repression and formations. It endotic and repression and anaerobic and repressions and primitive type of respirations which take place in aerosphere or which is so as called an abstract reaction and formation if there are two place in condition when NO2 not available so and became it to its other is that and one down in food and white oxygen within called aerobic and respirations information is take place is same other in fabric vigor in our reactions in sign times in animal during an anaerobic in response glaciers is as to be and broken down community is rest amount and energy that 5 it 10% at compared that aerobic in repetitions is replaced, but it is the situation that life in the absence of has in involved where and we was is no and one eat in there is no and repression and ergo repressions and other this one is make in one and must subscribe my YouTube channel Tech with Sarah Jones, and I am telling about this application. Chapter number 7 3.1 type of repression. There are two type of repression and sound in living organism for and reporting and energy of and boring and repression of formation aerobic and in other one this positive type of response which it takes to place in other esteem in call to impressions in and one. This special condition when in two in other theme tips is basic branch down and theisic and food without oxygen with call to another forget and endopedic site at sometimes on animal and during in anaerobic and repression glucose is not to broken down and completely rest amount of energy to and 10 as compared to aerobic and respirations in release, but it cannot situations in live in the absence as one to had element in where there on a one of each earth. There are two types of anaerobic and repressions and alcoholic and formations is bacteria and fungi. Respiel and avoid what when to these is called to another this repression bacteria and fungi respiel and arrow basically it but to when they an organism is to deprive the oxygen then stop and repression equivalently and then start reverting and equivalency and instant during and this one in repression the alcoholic alcohol with CO glucose and ethanol CO plus 2 and short than CH2O and CS plus 2 and same to an acidic formation in animal when aerobic in repression is not enough to and probabilic require adding that the stalling in repression that during glucose basic down into substance called locate acid in same energy to and C and limited amount energy in peace compare or panic repression but this enough its power to in hyperbolic music enduring time spring it hyperbolic when this condition pain to call and figure this levelic and project it schools it are the supreme that and other limit and amount energy and produce to compare that another one is compared and but is enough to power and in molecules. Keep supporting, keep watching, must subscribe my YouTube channel Tech with Sarah Johnson. Allah Hafiz.